Yeah, definitely. It's an honor and a privilege for me to be, recognized amongst the greats. Yeah, it's a massive achievement. I still get goosebumps. Hopefully this will open doors for more South Africans and more Africans, to get the recognition.
In a moment filled with pride for South Africa, Ronwen Williams made history by stepping onto the red carpet at the prestigious Ballon d'Or Awards in Paris. Representing Mamelodi Sundowns and Bafana Bafana, Williams became the first African-based goalkeeper to be nominated for the coveted Yashin Trophy, symbolizing the world's top goalkeeper. Poised and confident in a black tuxedo with stylish white accents on the shoulder and sleeve, Williams captured attention as he posed for photos and fielded questions from the international media. Speaking to reporters, he described his emotions with humility and pride and said, "It's an honor and a privilege to be recognized among the greats." His voice was filled with emotions and said, "It is a massive achievement. I still get goosebumps. Hopefully, this will open the doors for more South Africans and Africans to get the recognition they deserve." Williams has had a stellar year not only for his club but also for his country. Last season, he recorded an astonishing 30 clean sheets in 46 matches with Sundowns, conceding only 19 goals and leading his team to a triumphant premiership title. On the international stage, he helped South Africa to a bronze medal at the Africa Cup of Nations, making history by saving 4 penalties in a single shootout in the quarterfinals against Cape Verde. His achievements have not gone unnoticed. Williams recently received nominations in the 3 categories for the upcoming CAF Awards, including African Player of the Year, Goalkeeper of the Year, and Interclub Player of the Year. As he looks ahead to these honors, his impact on African football is undeniable. Despite his accomplishments, Williams faced stiff competition in Paris. Ultimately, he placed 9th in the Yashin Trophy standings with Aston Villa's Emiliano Martinez representing Argentina, claiming the award for the second consecutive year. Martinez, who kept 25 clean sheets across 62 matches for club and country, also helped Argentina clinch back-to-back Copa America titles this year and previously lifted the World Cup in 2022. The decision sparked mixed reactions among South African fans who felt their number 1 goalkeeper deserved to lift the trophy. Many pointed to Williams' remarkable clean sheet record alongside his ability to inspire the next generation of African footballers. Yet Martinez's influence in Aston Villa's resurgence to the Champions League and his success with Argentina ultimately weighed heavily in the jury's decision, where team achievements and success are crucial factors. Though Williams may not have claimed the Yashin Trophy, his journey serves as an inspiring breakthrough. As one of Africa's top keepers, his achievements paved the way for future South African and African players to shine on the world stage. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.